So there's a neat trick inside of ComfyUI where we can change the prompt randomly. A fantastic design where we've got this box with a city inside it. The colors, I want to just play around with the colors. If we go and cue the prompt, what you'll see is that the colors will change and they're kind of cycling through red. We've got a little bit of yellow happening as well. Sometimes I'm clicking the prompt button and nothing's happening, but sometimes we're getting a change. So we're getting the cycle of red, we're getting sometimes yellow, sometimes we're getting nothing, and sometimes we're getting, when I say nothing, we're getting no change. But what's actually happening here? What we've got here is a prompt that I've set up which provides for the cycling. So if I just zoom in, very basic design, we've got, let's see the full prompt so that you can understand what's happening. We've got beautiful futuristic cityscape, mysterious cube, and then next to that we've got yellow, red, blue, separated by pipes and enclosed within these curly brackets. Sense of optimism. So that's the trick. It is to use the curly brackets and to use the pipe to separate the variables. In this case, I've stuck with three very well-known, very primary colors, and the effect is to produce this situation where we just get one thing changing, and the one thing that's actually changing is just the color. Now sometimes I'm clicking here and it's not changing and nothing's happening because it will not run a prompt if nothing changes. So it's completely random. So if we choose blue and then we choose blue next time, nothing will happen because that's what ComfyUI does. It doesn't rerun a command unless something's changed. And we've got the same color several times there. So that's basically how you cycle. You can put many different colors in there, but if you start using colors like anthracite and aqua, where the meaning can be a little bit, it's not quite as clear as some of these basic colors, you may find different effects being had. We need to keep the control after generate set to fixed for this to really be very helpful. Otherwise, you'll find that the seed will just basically randomize as well. So that's basically how you can change a single prompt every time you run ComfyUI. Now that's something which might be helpful sometimes when you just want to have that one little thing that changes inside a prompt to see what impact that little change. Doesn't have to be color, could be anything, could be man, woman, child. I think it works best when they're very closely related concepts. If you're interested in knowing more, check out the Generative AI with Stable Diffusion and ComfyUI course. Discount link in the description.